many children, Douglas?
Hundreds. So they're my babies.
I'm here because my colleagues are struggling to get a handle on you. They don't quite know which aisle to put you in, so they would like to know who you are.
I don't blame them. No one exists without a past, right?
Now you love dogs, huh? More than you love your own family.
Yes. Their love for me is so genuine, true, pure, without any trickery or pretense.
Guy's in a wheelchair. It's a bit of an oddball.
Dogs never lie when they talk about love. Dogs love their friends and fight their enemies quite unlike people. It's very Shakespearean, don't you think? The weak and cowardly always find a way to survive. Here I am.
Jesus.
I'm gonna call you gorgeous.
You are aware that we're talking about a serious criminal act here, right?
Dog eat dog. It's just as simple love as that.
Hi, I'm here to talk to Dogman.
Kids, get ready. We have company.